Wow. We actually hit 10,000 subscribers. So that means I gotta dye my hair to purple, my channel theme. Wow, can't wait. You know, we got the virus going on, so we need to wear masks while we get it dyed. You know, I'm not gonna vlog too much in it. But yeah, we're at 20K already, so I have to dye it 2 times. No, I'm joking. But yeah, let's start. We're here. Yeah. Still waiting for my turn, you know? You ready? Yee. Yee. Probably gonna trim my hair too. Mom, what do you think? Mom. Hey, I want it from a third person's perspective. Should I trim it? How short should I trim it?
I don't know, probably.
Think to like the middle of my nose.
Yes, that's good.
Okay.
No, because your hair's...
How about the side?
Huh?
How about the sides?
Same thing, don't do the sides.
You want me to put the sides to my nose?
Don't do everything, don't trim it.
I don't know how short though. Yes, sir. I guess it's like, yeah. Time for dye now. Yup. Yup. Dyeing part now. Yup. Mm-hmm. Yup. 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 It is. Wow. I'm debating if I want to make this a vlog or not. I don't know. Well, I'm XQC now. You know, I'm gonna slam the table. You know, fart and slam. You know, if you're XQC fan, you know that. Yep. Yeah. Literally vlog. You know. Okay, enough being 2010 Slim Shady or XQC. We're gonna get dried, you know? Best vlogger, NA. Yep. Yes. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm literally an anime character. I'm basically ninja now. Yep, ninja. So yeah, this is the finished product of my hair. You know, enjoy my vlogs. Literally my vlogs are literally the best. You see Jake Paul, Logan Paul compared to me? No. I'm literally levels above them, not lying at all. But yeah, I've been smelling poison for like 8 hours straight. Literally wasn't pleasant. But yeah, this is our hair. We literally Thanos like did something to me. But I actually have short hair now. Wow. No one would have expected me to have short hair. Look, no mullet anymore. Yes, I know. It looks like I just came out of Chernobyl. I know. It looks like I got out of Chernobyl. I don't know what that is. I just gotta wash it out. But yeah, this is hair. I have short hair now. Wow, who would have thought? Out of all people, I'm the one who gets short hair. Like after having long hair for so long. But yeah, it's not fixed up at all. It still needs to be styled. But yeah, you don't roast my hair too hard. I know I look like icing. I know I look like cake icing or Thanos. Literally took a top of my head. But yeah. That was literally a mini vlog. Just dyeing my hair because this is for 10K subscribers. Ready at 21K. It's literally insane. Thank you all. Yeah, I guess that's the video. The video of me just dyeing my hair. This is just an update. I got new hair. Alright, guys. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope all of you had a great day. Peace.